Welcome everyone. We are discussing basic problems of straight line. Today I will discuss how to find lines parallel and perpendicular to a given line. Now, in previous class we have learned how to find angle between two lines. That is tan theta equals to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. And two lines are parallel if m1 equals to m2, parallel lines, and m1 m2 minus 1. So this is condition of perpendicular lines. Now note 3. We have considered up to note 2. So what is note 3? The equation of line parallel to, equation of lines parallel to x plus by plus c equals to 0 are x plus by plus k equals to 0. Only you have to change the constant. Now, why they are parallel? So, what is slope of this line? Minus a by b, coefficient of x by coefficient of y, when a and b are in opposite side. Here also slope is minus a by b. Therefore, lines are parallel. So, how to find parallel lines? So, look, if a line is given, this is given line, you may get many lines parallel to it. So, how it is obtained? Look, it is obtained by changing the constant term only. Here c is constant, you change it to k or minus k as you please, any constant. So, how to find parallel lines? By changing the constant. Now, problem number 1. Application. Find the equation of line passing through minus 2, 3. So, this constant k to be determined by using condition. So, find the equation of line passing through minus 2, 3. This is one condition and parallel to this line. So, 3x minus 4y plus 2 equals to 0. So, parallel line. So, it is obtained by changing the constant to 2k. Mind it, it may be minus k also. You are getting many lines. But when a condition is given, you get unique line. So, what is the condition? Since it passes through minus 2, 3. So, x is minus 2. So, minus 6 minus 12. Y is 3. So, 3 into minus 2. Minus 4 into 3 plus k equals to 0. So, this implies k equals to 18. So, what is equation of required line? So, required line is obtained by putting k in 2. So, 3x minus 4y plus 18 equals to 0. So, to find parallel lines is very simple. You change the constant only, use initial condition, find k. Now, note 4. Note 4. What is condition of perpendicular line m1, m2 minus 1? So, equation of line perpendicular to x plus by plus c equals to 0 r, you get many lines. So bx minus ay plus k equals to 0. So why they are parallel? Slope of the line is minus a by b, coefficient of x by coefficient of y when they are in opposite side. And here, what is slope? m1 equals to minus a by b. What is m2? b by a. So m1 m2 is minus 1. So how to obtain perpendicular equations? Look, initial equation and coefficients are a and b. Coefficient of x, a and b. Now, to find perpendicular equation, you change the coefficient. So, coefficient of x will be coefficient of y. So, look, bx, then change, take negative sign in coefficient of y. So, minus ay plus k equals to 0. You can take also minus bx plus ay plus k equals to 0. No harm. So, if it is plus, so here it is minus and you change the coefficient. So, bx minus ay plus k equals to 0. Now look, 2x plus 3y plus 7 equals to 0. What is perpendicular equation? 3x minus 2y plus k equals to 0. Change the coefficient, take negative sign in y or x. Now second one, 2x minus 3y plus 7 equals to 0. Coefficient are 2r minus 3. So what is perpendicular equation? 3x plus 2y plus k equals to 0. If any one of the coefficient is negative, you can consider perpendicular equation as both positive or both negative. Why? Look, 2 minus 3. Change coefficient, minus 3, 2. Change x or y, take in x or y negative. So if you take coefficient of x as negative, so 3x plus 2y equals to k. So this is our working tool. Now, problem number 1. So find equation of line through minus 2, 3 and perpendicular to 3x minus 4y plus 2 equals to 0. So 3x minus 4y plus 2 equals to 0. So perpendicular equation, 4x plus 3y plus k equals to 0. So this is 1 or 2 marks problem. Since it passes through minus 2, 3, minus 2, 3, so minus 4 into minus 2 plus 3 into 3 plus k equals to 0. So k equals to minus 1. So what is required line? Required line is 4x plus 3y minus 1 equals to 0. So when one condition is given, you get unique line. So this is most important. So how to find perpendicular equation and parallel equation. Next, problem number 2. Find the equation of a right bisector of the line segment passing through alpha beta and beta alpha. So this is A, alpha beta, and this is B, beta alpha. A right bisector means perpendicular bisector, that is passing through midpoint of line segment and perpendicular to it. So it will be C. So C is midpoint. So coordinate of C is alpha plus beta by 2, and it is also beta plus alpha by 2. that is same x and y coordinate. Now what is MAB? Slope of AB equals to alpha minus beta by alpha minus beta by beta minus alpha. So we are getting slope as minus 1. Now slope of the perpendicular line MCD. So this will be 1. How it is obtained? Because product of them is minus 1. So if it is 2, then it is minus half. So take reciprocal of it and change the sign. So reciprocal of 1 is minus 1, then change the sign. So now MCD you have to find. So you are getting MCD, equation of CD. Y minus alpha plus beta by 2 equals to 1 into x minus alpha plus beta by 2. So y equals to x. So what is perpendicular bisector? Y equals to x. So you remember this result. If coordinate of AB is reverse of A, then you get y equals to x. No need of calculation. Suppose it is 5, 3 and B is 3, 5. So what is perpendicular bisector? Perpendicular bisector is y equals to x. So you remember this result. Now you consider 2 more problems of same type using product of slope equals to minus 1. Problem number 3. Find for the triangle ABC where vertices are given, find equation of altitude through a right bisector of the side BC. So we are taking rough states. A minus 2, 3, B 4 minus 3, C 4, 5. So they are vertices. Find equation of altitude through A. Altitude means passing through A and perpendicular to the side BC. So this is AD. Altitude through A. So you have to find equation of AD. Now AD passes through a point. You need slope of AD. Now AD is perpendicular to BC. So B and C are given. So you can find the slope of BC. So what is MBC? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So 5 plus 3, x1 y1, x2 y2. 5 plus 3, 4 minus 4. So 8 by 0. So undefined. This is undefined. So 8 by 0, MBC. This is MBC is 8 by 0. So that is, you can write this as infinity or undefined. Now slope of perpendicular lines MAB. So you can write it 1 by infinity, that is 0. You can take here negative also, no harm. So M of AD, if M of BC is infinity, so M of AD must be 0. So what is MAD? MAD is 0. So you have to find AD. So y minus y1, MAD into x minus x1. So y minus 3 equals to 0 into x plus 2. So y equals to 3. Slope infinity means line is parallel to y-axis, that is x equals to k. So this is y equals to 3. Y equals to 3. Now you can also use this one for understanding. So MBC is infinity. So BC is parallel to y-axis. Because parallel to y-axis, if it is parallel to y-axis, then slope is undefined. That is theta equals to 90. So alternative 1, BC is parallel to y-axis. So related equation is x equals to k. Now AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. Perpendicular to BC. So its equation will be y equals to c. Perpendicular equation. So this is 1 0, this will be 0 1. So y equals to c. Since it passes through minus 2 3. So y minus 3 equals to c. Put x equals to minus 2, no x, y equals to 3. So what is the line? Y equals to 3. So I think it will be simple for understanding. MBC equals to infinity. So it is line parallel to x-axis. So AD must be parallel to y-axis. So perpendicular to BC, that is x equals to k. Here it is y equals to c. So passes through minus 2 3, you get y equals to 3. Now second one is right bisector of the side BC. So you know how to find right bisector. So I have already completed it in previous problem. So you complete it. Next. So this is also important problem. A line perpendicular to line segment joining 1 0 and 2 3. Joining 1 0 and 2 3. A 1 0, B 2 3. A line perpendicular to it and divides externally in the ratio 4:1. So point is external. This is P. Suppose this is PQ. External 4:1. This one is 4 and this one is 1. So M equals to 4, N equals to 1. So we have to find coordinate of P first. So let coordinate of P, what is x? mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n. Since division is external. So m equals to 4. So 4 into 2 minus 1 into 1 by 4 minus 1. So this is 8 minus 1, 7 by 3. 7 by 3. Now what is y? my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. So 4 into 3. 4 into 3 minus 1 into 0 by 4 minus 3, you are getting 4. you are getting it as 4. So look it again. 4 into 3 minus 1 into 0 by 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. So this is 3 cancel, you are getting 4. And this is 7 by 3. So you get coordinate of P. Now what is MAB? MAB is slope. So 3 minus 0 by 3 minus 0, 2 minus 1. So equals to 3. So what is MPQ? MPQ is perpendicular to AB. So M1, M2 is minus 1. So take reciprocal of AB and change the sign. Now M1, M2 is minus 1. So what is coordinate of P? Coordinate of P is 7 by 3, 4. So by point slope form, equation of PQ. Y minus y1 m into x minus x1. So y minus 4 minus 1 by 3 into x minus 7 by 3. So simplifying, you get result. So minus x plus 7 by 9. Plus 7 by 3. 3 multiplied. So 3y minus 12 minus x plus 7 by 3. So x plus 3y equals to 12 plus 7 by 3. So 36 plus 7, 43 by 3. So this is equation of PQ. Or you may simplify it multiplying it by 3. So the division is external and perpendicular to it. So today I have discussed some basic problems. So how to find parallel equation, how to find perpendicular equations. So thank you for today.